I'm at the foot of one of the sisters, maybe. There's a couple more, and way off in the distance there, hour and 20 minutes drive away, is Mount Taranaki, which we tried to get up yesterday. Two of the sisters. There's a number of sisters here. I think there are more than 3 sisters. There's Elephant Rock. You can't see the trunk yet. There's another, maybe the big sister. And beautiful. Probably nicer, probably better than Cathedral Cove, I would say. Certainly fewer people. Water's cold, but it's kind of nice on my achy feet after yesterday's 9-mile round trip walking up and down Mount Egmont to try and see Taranaki. This country is awesome. It's got some stuff.